Household chores in English. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Dust the furniture. Wipe the table. Wipe surfaces. Vacuum the carpet. Wash the windows. Scrub the sink. Scrub the bathtub. Clean the toilet. Clean the mirror. Rinse the dishes. Dry the dishes. Put dishes away. Wash the dishes. Remove stains. Disinfect surfaces. Polish furniture. Wipe off spills. Start the washer. Sweep away dirt. Sort the laundry. Load the washing machine. Add detergent. Dry the clothes. Fold the clothes. Put clothes away. Prepare ingredients. Hang the clothes. Cook the meal. Wash produce. Empty the dishwasher. Chop vegetables. Clean the fridge. Organize the pantry. Refill water bottles. Arrange pillows. Sort items. File papers. Tidy the room. Declutter. Organize drawers. Put toys away. Arrange shelves. Trim the plants. Organize the closet. Stack books. Sweep the yard. Shake out rugs. Clean the patio. Rake the leaves. Take out recycling. Clean the car. Wash the balcony. Turn off lights. Replace batteries. Refill soap. Refill tissue boxes. Pack school bags. Change bedsheets. Pick up items. Iron clothes. Set the table. Clear the table. Take out the trash. Make the bed. Water the plants.